To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. Do you sometimes wish you could put your foot down and say no? It's normal to want to agree with every request because we all want approval from the people around us. But by saying yes to everything, you put yourself at risk of breaking down from anxiety. So, how do you learn to decline things? In this video, you'll learn to master the art of saying no. Take stock of your internal feelings. Do you feel overwhelmed, frustrated, anxious? Do you hold on to self-destructive thoughts, like the thought of not being enough? Do you find that there are changes in your relationships, like decreased sex or frequent quarrels? These may be signs that you need to change something, and oftentimes it means you need to go slow and say no more often. Realize that you have the right to say no. You do not have the right to be rude or aggressive to anyone, but you do have the right to say no. Saying no does not mean you're being rude. It just means that you care about yourself as much as the next person. Start saying no. Say no while showing empathy. This will make it much easier to say no. If someone is in a difficult place and you know helping them might displace your own priorities or get you overwhelmed, it's your right to say no to them. However, you must acknowledge that they are having a difficult time and perhaps promise to help them next time. Also, showing empathy while saying no helps the other person understand that you had to turn them down. The 24-hour rule. Some people might find saying no a tad difficult. In that case, you can apply the 24-hour rule. Sometimes you make decisions in the heat of the moment, with your decisions solely based on emotions. But when you give yourself 24 hours to make a decision, it gives you more time to really know why you need to say no, and this makes it easier. Keep to your decision. People will take you more seriously if you say no and you mean it. But if you start to assert your right to say no and then change your mind, the next time you say no, others will think you just don't mean it. Say no over and over again if you have to. Give yourself time to grow into this new habit. It will not be easy the first time you start saying no. You might feel attacked with guilt and struggle with your decision. Understand that the art of saying no is not an overnight habit. You have to grow into it the more you say no. Learning to say no helps you not only refocus your priorities, but also your energy. You will feel less overwhelmed and less frustration because your life and your time is back in your control. Have you learned how to say no? Share your experience with us in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.